Send over their butter slime activator. So we're gonna try it out today. Basically, you use this as your activator, and then it'll make butter slime. It's gonna run with normal white glue, and I'm gonna use this yellow color to try to make this color butter. This is our slime color before we activate, and then you're basically supposed to just squeeze this in little by little until it activates. It's like really chunky. It's definitely starting to activate. I'm gonna add some more. She's forming. I'm gonna start kneading the slime with my hands. This is what she looks like right now. Ooh, it's definitely a fun texture.
Ready, so all we have to do is make it with skincare. This one uses the Beehive Chunk Up. And use the ordinary serum. I put in my fridge. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. concealer. Now I'm gonna use a Sweet Candy Laneige. Please make sure to subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you do not miss a video. And please make sure to like. We just talk about how nervous we are. I'm gonna set
Okay, Annabelle. Okay, Annabelle, what? Okay, ready?
Do you have the lace with I had on it?
Yep.